Hi, my name is Ali Areeb Zaidi and I am from Meerut city, Uttar Pradesh, and I have been living in New Delhi for past 10 years. I am a lawyer by profession and practice in New Delhi High Court. My overall band score was 8.5. I scored highest, in fact I got 8.5 in speaking, reading and listening. I think for speaking there is no really way to get the best marks. The thing is that you need to practice more and more. You need to read a lot and then you need to speak to people in your daily life as much as possible in English. For reading, again the thing is you have to practice, and one of the tricks that I use is that I read questions first in the reading portion and then I read the paragraph, because once you've read the questions very well, the answers in the paragraph start automatically appearing. Then for the listening, again the trick is to practice. I went through around 50 listening tests, including the ones provided by IDP in their CD and the YouTube videos available. I think the extra effort I did was to watch as many YouTube videos as possible, read up online as much as possible, and practice. I started reading magazines and government articles basically, because they have complex articles, they have figures, they have facts in them. So if you read the articles or data published by the government, that will really help you train yourself to read complex things in a small amount of time. The computer-based test is very efficient because in today's time, I think we don't write much, we type a lot. I've been in my profession for 8 years now and I don't think I write for more than 3 or 4 days. So that is very helpful, especially in the writing test. I wouldn't have been able to finish the test in time if it was not computer based. And the other thing is, of course, the test results come in 5 days. That's the best part. One of the challenges I faced is in the listening part of the test, because you really have to concentrate for a long period of time. And while writing the answer, it's very easy to drift away and the person will keep speaking. So I think that was one of the difficult things I faced, and the way I overcame was to give more and more practice tests. As I said earlier, I took around 50 tests. The first material that I referred to was the IDP booklet that I got after I registered for the exam. That was very helpful, and other than that, I watched, as I said, YouTube videos. You can watch English movies without the subtitles. That will be extremely helpful because that will help you understand, and you will get rid of that habit of reading English and then understanding. It will help you understand English while it's being spoken. So that was very helpful. For exam day, I think you should relax. You should have confidence in what you prepared and just go with an open mind. And preferably choose a test timing in the second half of the day, because then you will have half a day to relax, eat, do something, and then you will be better prepared, I think. One of the complex things that I faced, as I said, was the listening test. So I think I would suggest that you practice as much as possible. The trick for reading is you need to read complex material as much as possible, take tests, and one of the tricks, as I said, I used was that you always read the questions first. Once you've read the questions, the answers will start automatically appearing in the text while you're reading it, and you keep underlining them or highlighting them in the computer-based test. So that will be very helpful. For speaking, I would say you start speaking in English on a daily basis. Your boss, your colleagues, your friends, whoever is possible. That will help you get into the habit of expressing your ideas in English. That is very important. And I think if your exam is at least 4 weeks after you registered, then I suggest you take out 1 hour every day to read articles online or from a book or wherever possible, but at least read 1 hour every day. So that is it. Well, I hope my inputs will be helpful for the students in future, and I'm wishing everyone all the best who takes this test.